Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. First, make sure the camera is plugged into its original adapter and showing power. That avoids corrupt resets. Once powered, locate the tiny reset hole. Use a paperclip. Press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED blinks or changes color. This signals factory restore. Hold firmly, because partial presses may not trigger the full sequence. After the blink, release and let the device begin its reboot process. Once done rebooting, the camera will enter setup mode. Give it 1 to 2 minutes for the LED to show the correct pattern. Then open the Ezviz app and use Add Device. Either scan the QR code on the camera or type the serial number. Make sure you select your 4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Many cameras won't work on 5 GHz. Follow the in-app prompts to complete pairing and wait while the camera finishes configuration. Now finalize by creating a strong admin password and checking motion, notification, and storage settings so the camera behaves as you expect. Then update firmware. This prevents bugs that can interfere later. If the camera doesn't appear in the app or appears as offline, try the troubleshooting step. Power cycle the unit, confirm you used the original adapter, and repeat the 10-15 second reset. If it still fails, move the camera closer to the router and try setup again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.